Hi everyone, it's Kathy, and I have another journal to share with you. This is a soft spine journal. The inspiration I got was from Shabby Soul. She has a tutorial on this, and I was really inspired by that. And I think this is my second one I've made like that. It's a real small journal, doesn't have a lot of pages, but it's just a cute little journal. Measures 4 by 6, and so let's go ahead and take a peek. You can see from the front cover, there's a beautiful, excuse me, beautiful image, and there's a little book plate there, Find Comfort in Loving Memories, with some cheesecloth and some other fabric. It's a hardcover book, but soft spine. You can see here's the spine here. I have some lace fabric behind there and some trim. The inside front cover has a pretty lace collage, and you can see photograph here, another collage, and this is another photo booth image from Tim Holtz, and then that just flips open. Like that. And then here's a pocket here with a library, I forget what you call those, like an index card with another little journaling card. Another collage with a paper doll. Over here is another photo booth image with a ruffle and some stamping. You get some tickets here. A stitch heart with a rusty pin on a piece of an old quilt. Here's an envelope with another little collage of lace. And inside that is a index card for you to jot down your memories, and it says cherish each day. And you can see how they're sewed into the spine. I really like this idea. Another beautiful image. Look at that little girl. With some trim. And on this page is a little pocket with more tickets, ephemera. There's nothing impossible to him who will try. Another pocket with some fabric. And here's a guest check that was made into a pocket with a tag. And a little poem about Grandma's house. And the back is collage with another image, a key, and another ruffle. And on this page, you can see it was I believe it was a kindergarten class. I thought that was so cute. That idea came from Shabby Soul as well. And then another beautiful image. So there you have my cute little journal. I just really like it. It is available for purchase. Again, contact me at kathygadil@yahoo.com. And I just want to remind the person who was selected for my giveaway has not contacted me yet. So if I don't hear from you by tomorrow, I'll be picking another winner. So check out the video and see if you've won, and please contact me so I can get that giveaway out to you. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for your comments. Please do leave a comment. I love to read them, and they do help me. It seems things are like dwindling off a little bit. I'm not sure what's happening, but please leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe so you'll get notification of all the journals I post. Again, please, for whoever's the winner, please contact me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.